Hi there, nice new product here, the packing cube set. A set of 3 packing cubes, the very large one, great for shirts, t-shirts. I managed recently to put 15 t-shirts inside it, and I'm not a small guy, you know. Then I have the medium-sized bag, great for underwear, sportswear, any other things you want to put in there. And then last but not least, the second medium-sized packing cube. So once you fill these ones up, what is so important about it is that when you're going to travel, especially if you're not staying in one single place every day, you're going to know where your pants are, where your t-shirts are, where your underwear and socks is. This is really great, saves you a lot of time, and it avoids you from having to put it away every day in the hotel. Then this particular suitcase that I have here is a carry-on size. Obviously, if you have a large size, you can put several packing cubes, more than 3. You can put 4, 5, even 6 packing cubes. Here is an example. We're going to put in the large packing cube inside here. We still have loads of space at the top of the suitcase, for example, for your shoes. Then you put a second packing cube on top of it. And then do not forget, with the help of our compression strap, you can make it nicely compressed inside this beautiful brand new cruise silver color suitcase. So you can already see here that I still have plenty of spare space. I could even put more inside the suitcase. Then I still have half of the other suitcase empty, and it all goes nicely inside, and it's all nice and tidy, and that's it. So don't forget to purchase your packing cube set. You won't regret it. Take care. Bye-bye.